Hey guys, Brian here from TBRCentral, and welcome back to One Lifer. Last episode, I almost died. I had one heart left. Hold on, my volume is too loud. So there you go. I had one heart left. And all the mobs were chasing me, but I survived. So let's do something. So the wheat has grown. Now I actually want to make an animal farm in this episode. So yeah, I need to make a shovel because I already know where to build it. Shovel. There we go. And I also need to find some more iron because I need some iron armor to protect me. And where's the sun? All right, I'm really gonna check on the sun now. So let's dig this up. I think I'm gonna make a cow farm or something. Like over here next to right next to the house, which it's gonna be pretty annoying, but yeah. So let's do this. Alright, so I think that's good enough. So let's see how many wood do we have left. Ooh. Oh, no, never mind. We got a lot of wood and sticks. Fences. Oh, I need some more sticks. There you go. 16. No, I need more. 36. Maybe that's enough. Let's find out. Pretty sure it is enough. So let's build it like right there, and then we do this like that. Yeah, like that. And then we can put a torch here, and oh wait, and then I need to have a door. I'm gonna build a door here. Fence gate even. So we have that, and then we have a torch right there. So hold on. So there you go. So there's squid. So let's find some cows. Hopefully we'll find some. And I don't want to go I don't want to go too far because the sun is almost coming down, and I don't want to get killed for this time, for real. So yeah. That's sheep. I don't need a sheep. I need cows. Come on. And if I don't find cows, I'm gonna look for some pigs. We can hear one. I'm just gonna go back to the house. And then we'll see how it goes. No, go away, sheep. And then we can go to sleep. Why is there a sheep out there? One more. I'm getting some more wood. Getting rid of this tree because it's been bugging me for a long ass time. Alright, son. Alright, son, come on. I want you to go down. First time I ever said that on this series. I want to go into the mine and explore a bit, but then it's gonna be dark, and just gonna look around for some cows though. Hold on, I need to eat. Let's parkour on the trees. Ah, crap. Wow. Oh, I see a cow. Yes, nice. Can I get him? No, let's go back to the house. I don't want to take that risk. Alright. Can't sleep yet. Of course. Come on! Come down. And we can sleep right now. There we go. Okay. Now let's get that cow. And watch out for creepers. Because I think they're still here. Not over here. Again, I'm gonna check again if that creeper is still here. Wait, where's the cow? Where? What? What? Where's the cow? Did he despawn or something? What? Wow. Okay, I didn't know animals could despawn. Oh great, so we have to look for a new cow then. Oh, never mind. I already I see one. Alright, come over here. No, I don't need you sheep. Oh, I almost hit the cow in the head. Come on. Don't be stupid. You see that there's a tree over there. Come on. You can see the tree right in front of you. Come on. Yep, come over here. There you go. Don't get stuck on the house. There we go. Okay. Yeah. Alright, get in. Come on. There we go. Good cow. Alright, so we got the first cow. Yeah, I'm just gonna look if the creeper's still here. And maybe find some more cows. Who knows? I'm not gonna look for a wolf this time, cause I never find one. So yeah. Oh, some XP. Nice. Wait, I hear the cow over here. Yeah, I see one. There we go. Alright, come over here, buddy. Come over here. Come. There we go. Yep. Good cow. No, not you, sheep. Come here. Oh, crap. Oh, there's another cow. Come here. You know, I'm just gonna get this one. Why not? Alright, come here. Oh, no. Crap, yeah, come over here. damn. Didn't meant to do that. Come over here. There we go. Alright, you go out of the way. Come in. Yeah. Alright, should we... No. Ooh. Should we breed him? Yes, let's breed him. So 1, 2. Alright, it actually took a while. Alright, so we got our first baby cow. Where's the sun? Alright. Just gonna do some more mining. Oh, I forgot about the water again. Alright. No, not gonna mine here. Just gonna dig down some more. Oh, and oh, there's actually a lot of mobs around here. Maybe there's a cave system. Shut up, zombies. Ah. I really want to find some... Oh, well, there we go. Oh, nice. 3 pieces. Oh, 4. Nice. 5. Oh, damn. Exactly what I need. Alright, I'm actually wanna look for the cave. But I'm low on food. So I'm gonna look for it, but I'm not gonna go into the cave. I think it's coming from this side though. If they make the noise again. Alright. Yeah, it's coming from over here. So let's dig up this way. Yeah, I can hear them behind this wall. Maybe if you guys wearing headphones, maybe you can hear it too. No, I don't know if you can, but trust me, it's coming from over here. And now it's coming from behind me for some reason. Just gonna mine over here. Let's see what we find. Oh, no. Thought I found something. Yes, it's still coming from that way. Also from above. I think, I'm not sure. I don't want to bore you guys. I'm not gonna mine for too long. But I just want to find that cave. But now I'm going back because I think the sun is almost coming down though. No, alright, we're still good. I need to find some gold so I can make a clock. Alright, the noises are getting louder. So I think that we're pretty close. So over there, okay. Yeah, over here. It's hard to tell where if you hear mobs and you're in you're just digging flint. You're just digging holes and tunnels. It's pretty hard to tell where they are. Where the hell are they? Seriously. Well, fuck it. I'm gonna find out in. I'm gonna do that in the next episode. Here, see the sun. Almost down. Oh, and we got some more wheat. Okay, there you go. So, no, I'm not gonna end it off. I'm just, no, just a little bit more. Just a little bit longer. Alright, no, I'm not, no. I really don't know what to do now. Because it's almost nighttime, but... Oh well. Wait, I'm gonna try and get that other cow in the farm. Yeah, good cow. Oh, there's a pig in the trees. Sorry if you can hear that, that's my dog. Alright, come over here. There we go. Oh, yeah. And come on, come on, come on. Yeah, alright, we got a fourth cow. Alright guys, so anyways, if you like the episode, I'm gonna end off. If you like the episode, give it a like. Maybe a favorite if you want. And also I'm gonna say, if you haven't checked out the new series that Tom is starting, I'm guessing it's gonna be a series, Terraria Let's Play, you should definitely check it out. I will give an annotation at the end of this video. And yeah, and also don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Wait, I'm gonna sleep. Alright, so anyway, I'm Brian from TBRCentral, and I'll see you guys later.